Time to dig into this carburetor. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's going to be either completely clean or completely disgusting and filthy inside. I'm very curious to find out, though. Can't get my ratchet out of here. I actually have to tighten the bolt back up a little bit. Come on. Well, this is kind of sad. There we go. One bolt. There we go, got the carburetor free, and now I'm going to look into getting the fuel line off and the fuel bowl off so we can get the fuel shutoff valve working. Alright, let's get the rest of this fuel line off, and then I'll work on getting the this bowl off so we can get the shutoff valve and everything working, and also clean out the tank. And it appears that the whole thing's just going to unscrew. There we go. Oh! Well, that's not good. The fuel line just completely snapped off. Oh man, that's a shame. It just snapped off at the joint here. Oh, that's the end of that original fuel line. Unless I can solder that back together, I doubt it though. It's so dirty. Oh well. Let's see if we can save the rest of this though. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to turn by hand. We grab a set of pliers. Gonna try and not shear the rest of this off. Oh, there goes that. It's going to take a little de-rusting to get that working right. That black bowl is very stuck on there. Oh, there we go. There it comes out. There goes the seal too. Wow, that smells like old gas. Very strongly. Is this fuel valve going to want to work? Wow, the fuel valve just completely freed up. Wow, that's surprising. I'm going to have to take this whole thing off of here anyways. So it looks like there's only 2 screws that are holding this gas tank in, because I need to get the tank out to power wash it because it's full of shellac on the inside. So there's two clamps that hold this thing in, so I'm going to go ahead and remove these. So a lot of persuasion later, and I got the gas tank off, and I can't believe it, it's actually got some of its original gravely red paint on it. So now I'm going to go ahead and power wash this thing out. Alright, let's dive into this carburetor. This thing's an unusual one because it opens from the bottom. So if there is any liquid in it, it's all going to dump out. But I've been actually very lucky with this whole tractor that none of the screws have been too rusted to undo. They've all been a little like crusty and dirty, but most of them have just kind of broken free. I think I'm going to power wash this whole thing too, because there's a lot of very loose, just like crap all over it like that. And the gas tank having its original paint on it made me curious to see if there's any more. Alright, I jinxed myself, that one's not coming out. I just got the gas tank and everything power washed out, it's all good in there. And cleaned up the shut-off valve, so that should be working. This choke actually freed up. I don't know why or how, but it did. Man, these front 2 don't want to come out. Oh, I'm just going to strip that out. Let me grab my impact driver. See if the impact can help me out here. I love this tool. I've never taken one of these before. I have no idea how it comes apart. And that actually just loosened up too. Huh. Let's see. My dog is singing to the music my sister's playing. It's kind of funny. Hey, there we go. Oh my god. There go pieces flying everywhere. Really not too terrible in there. It's a little dirty. This original gasket is not really a gasket anymore. But I think with a little washing that will work. Unfortunately, due to me being a complete and utter moron, when that thing went flying apart, at least got a little bent, but I'll fix that. But worse than that is that whole little chunk just broke off. So even if I did want to put this back together, yeah, that's not going to work too well. So I'm not happy, because that was very stupid of me. You can see this gasket's just falling apart. And I'm just going to have to think of something to do about that. So it doesn't look like I can get many parts to repair this, so I'm just going to have to try and make a repair by myself with my limited materials here. So I'll get back to you guys when I get something together. After I do repair it, I'm just going to power wash it and make sure the jets are working and then put it back together again. So I just attempted a temporary repair on that carburetor, and I put it back on and filled it up, and as you can see it's leaking like a sieve. But I want to see if I can get this thing to fire up. It also helped to turn the choke off. Oh my god, I blew smoke everywhere. It runs!